my god, this is one epic video. That's why you gotta get a cheap fucking Wrangler. Oh my god. Okay, that's a beast right there. Oh my god. Now this is epic, huh?
This out here giving me chills. I love it to death.
And they said it couldn't be done. Just dragging it right now. It's just dragging it right now. How many tons does this weigh? Do you know? Yep, just dragging it right now. Look at that. Jeep Wrangler dragging this, I don't know what this is, some commercial truck.